Dear students, good morning. Today is Saturday. Now I am going to present today's story. The title of today's story is A Father Learns a Lesson from His Son. This short story, A Father Learns a Lesson from His Son, is quite interesting to all the people. Enjoy reading this story. Listen very carefully. Velen was a carpenter. He was living in a village. His mother died a long time back. His aged father, Kuppan, lived with Velen. Kuppan was very weak. He could not even walk well. He was so weak. It was because Velen did not give him enough food. He had given his father a small earthen plate. Even a small quantity of rice in the plate appeared to be much. Velen was a bad man. He was a drunkard also. After taking drinks, he abused his father badly. Velen had a son. His name is Muthu. Muthu was just 10 years old. He was a very good boy. He loved his grandfather. He had great respect for his grandfather. He did not like his father's attitude and character because his father was treating his grandfather cruelly. One day, Kuppan was eating his food out of earthen plate that his son had given to him. The earthen plate fell down. The plate broke into pieces. The food also fell on the floor. Velen was working at the other end of the room. He saw the broken plate. He was very angry with his father and used very harsh words to abuse his father. The old man felt bad about what happened. He was very sorry for his mistake. Velen's words wounded him very deeply. Velen's son Muthu saw this. He did not like his father. His father was ill treating his grandfather. He was afraid to speak against his father. He was sad about his grandfather. But he was not powerful to stand in support of his grandfather. The next day, Muthu took some of his father's carpentry tools and a piece of wood. He worked with the tools to make a wooden plate. His father saw him working. What are you making, Muthu? He asked. I am making a wooden plate, replied Muthu. A wooden plate? What for? Asked his father. I am making it for you, father. When you grow old like my grandfather, you will need a plate for food. A plate made from earth may break very easily. Then I may scold you severely. So I want to give you a wooden plate. It may not break so easily. The carpenter was shocked to hear this. Only now he realized his mistake. His father was kind to Velen. He had looked after Velen very well. Now he was old. Velen was treating his father severely. Velen was now very sad about his own behavior. He realized his mistakes. He then became a different person. From that day, Velen treated his father with great respect. He gave up drinking too. Velen learnt a lesson from his own son. So, dear students, the moral of the story is you should honor your parents at all times. It is your duty. It brings you their blessings. Or you can say, respect your parents and elders. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.